Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor with the IRS. Welcome to my YouTube station, the home with a 5-minute or less YouTube. I have worked at IRS for a decade, been in private practice for 4 decades? August 20th of next year, I'll been doing this for 50 years. I am one of the nation's experts in the offer and compromise and IRS resolution matters. I should know something after doing this long. I have a whole team of former IRS agents. If you want to know more about me, I've been on national TV a lot of times. You can go to my website at 777irs.com. You can look at all my TV interviews there. I do these videos for 3 reasons: to let you know what the truth is, to give you education, and number 3, so you don't get ripped off. There's so many people out there, especially in the offer and compromise. I should pinpoint this. The offer and compromise has more scammers than anybody else because they charge a fortune. But unfortunately, most of the time when you're calling a firm, you're speaking to a salesman who, like the Capital One credit card, wants what do you have in your wallet. That's what they're out to do. If you're going to speak to anybody about an offer, or you want the truth about an offer, you got to speak to an attorney, a CPA, or enrolled agent, former IRS agent who's actually going to work the case and have worked at least 100 offers. If you haven't, don't even bother giving your work to them. Today I want to talk to you about a federal tax lien. I got this out because I want to show you that I'm reading this actually from the website, because most of this stuff I just shoot from my head. After 50 years, until I lose my mind, I know most of this stuff. But here's the question people call and ask, and that's why I'm reading this. Will IRS file a federal tax lien while my offer and compromise is being filed? While it's filed? Well, let me just tell you, most liens are filed well before the offer process, so you should check. But for those of you who have not had a federal lien filed, let me read this. It's important that you hear it from them. During the offer process, the IRS may file a notice of federal tax lien. This is a public notice. Normally, the federal tax lien will not be sent in during the time the offer and compromise is being processed. Why? It's not the job of the offer and compromise specialist to file a federal tax lien, unless there's something really weird about to go ahead and process the federal tax lien. It's going to take a year, by the way. So, a matter of fact, in any case that I have worked where I have filed where I've worked the offer, I have never had a person or offer specialist file a federal tax lien. Never, ever, ever. That's just not their job. But can they? Well, they can. They say they can. I've never seen it, but yes, it is possible they can. I think the odds of that happening are you winning the lottery. People still buy lottery tickets. They're not going to win, but however, they still do that. So I would be pretty confident to tell you you're probably not going to get a federal tax lien filed. But once again, once they make a ruling, you can probably bet about 3 or 4 months after they make that ruling, if it's denied, that they're going to file a federal tax lien on your case if it's over $10,000. Anyway, I have a whole team of former IRS agents. If you need an offer file to get through, call us. I'll let you know whether you're going to go through. I don't take any money unless I know that you have a shot for your offer and compromise. Like I said, I accepted them and denied offers. I'm a national expert in the IRS offer and compromise. Anyway, give me a subscription if you would. I love those because YouTube loves those. So if you have a question you want to ask me, leave it in the comment section. You can find out about my firm, or you want to contact us, in the description section below. Thank you very much. I appreciate it.